Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain what motion blur is and how to apply it in Adobe Premiere Pro. Motion blur is an effect that simulates the blurring of moving objects, making footage appear more natural and dynamic. Using motion blur can enhance the realism of your videos by mimicking how our eyes perceive fast-moving objects. It adds a sense of speed and smoothness to animations and transitions. Now, let's see how to apply motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, go to the Effects panel and search for the Transform effect. Drag and drop it onto your clip in the timeline. In the Effects Controls panel, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and increase the shutter angle to 180 degrees or more. This will create a natural motion blur effect. Next, animate the text. In the Effects Controls panel, set keyframes for the position. For the blurring effect to work, it needs movement, and we are creating it with the text. Preview your clip to see the motion blur effect in action. And that's a basic overview of motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please comment and subscribe for more tutorials.